Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about hydrogen chapter that is given in class +1 NCERT of chemistry. Today we will start the basics with the basics of this chapter. If you haven't watched my previous videos, do watch them. I make videos on biology, chemistry and also strategy videos. So if you like them, do subscribe my channel. So let us begin. First of all, we will see that hydrogen was discovered by Henry Cavendish. In 1766. This you have to remember. How he prepared it? When he reacted H2SO4 with iron, dilute H2SO4. Then he got hydrogen gas from there. Okay, hydrogen gas was evolved from there. So let us now discuss about the position of hydrogen. That is basically a very contradictory point in the history when there was making of periodic table, that the position of hydrogen was very contradictory. Hydrogen is the first element, but its position was very much contradictory earlier because it resembled with alkali metals also, and it resembled with halogens also. So the scientists have the confusion that whether they should group hydrogen with alkali metals or they should group hydrogen with halogens. Okay, so let us see. First of all, we will see resemblance of hydrogen with alkali metal. So resemblance with alkali metals. Point number 1 is electronic configuration. Yes, for example, we are having alkali metals like lithium, sodium, potassium. So let us write the electronic configuration for lithium is 1s2, 2s1. Okay, and hydrogen is also having 1s1 configuration. So the outermost electron means they both have one electron in their outermost shell. So number 1 similarity is that they both have same number of electrons in outermost shell. Number 2 is electropositive character. Okay, electropositive character. Both hydrogen and alkali metals are highly electropositive, means they can lose their electron very, very easily. So they can lose electron easily. Okay, number 3 point of resemblance is liberation at cathode. Both of them are liberated at cathode only. The compounds of hydrogen as well as alkali metals. For example, we are having HCl. Here, hydrogen plus chlorine gas will be liberated. Then the hydrogen gas will be liberated at cathode. And in the case of NaCl also, when we will get Na plus Cl gas, Cl2 gas and sodium liquid, then it will also be liberated at the cathode side. Okay, number 3 point of resemblance is, number 4 point is oxidation state. Both alkali metals and hydrogen show +1 oxidation state. If we are having HCl, then if we will remove Cl from here, then H positive will be there. And similarly, when we are having NaCl, we remove chlorine from here, then we will have Na positive. So, oxidation state. Next, we will do differences from alkali metals. Now, we have seen resemblance. Next, we will do differences. Differences, point number 1 is, alkali metals are metals. Yes, they are metals, but hydrogen is a typical non-metal. Typical non-metal. Hydrogen is a typical non-metal, but alkali metals in the group 1 all are typical metals. Point number 2 of difference is that most of the alkali metals like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, they all are monoatomic, whereas hydrogen is always diatomic. Okay, hydrogen is always diatomic. Number 3 point is that ionization energy. What do you mean by ionization energy? Ionization energy means that the energy that is required to remove the electron from a gaseous isolated atom. So ionization energy of hydrogen is much more than the ionization energy of alkali metals. Why? Because hydrogen, in the case of hydrogen, size is very much small, nuclear force is very much high, so ionization energy is high. But in the case of alkali metals, they are having bigger size, low nuclear charge, so they are having low ionization energy. So these were the resemblance and differences from alkali metals. Now let us discuss resemblance of hydrogen with halogens. Resemblance of hydrogen with halogens. Okay. Now point number 1. Both of them require 1 electron to complete their octet or duplet. Means hydrogen is having 1s1 and fluorine is having 1s2, 2s2 and 2p5. Means fluorine need 1 electron and hydrogen need 1 electron. Both of them need 1 electron. Fluorine will complete its octet and hydrogen will complete its duplet. So this is one similarity. Point number 2 is that both are having comparable ionization energies. Both are having comparable ionization energy. Both are having high ionization energy. We all know that halogens are having the maximum ionization energy, but not more than noble gases. But due to their small sizes, they are having more ionization energy, and hydrogen also have more ionization energy. Next similarity is that liberation at anode. liberation at anode. When we will have like NaCl, here chlorine will be liberated at anode. Similarly, when we will have NaH, then hydrogen will be liberated at anode. So this is another resemblance, that is liberation at anode. Next point of resemblance is that diatomic nature. Both hydrogen and halogens are diatomic. Like hydrogen is diatomic, we all know, and halogens are also diatomic, means they exist in nature as a diatomic species, like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, so they are diatomic. Oxidation state is also similarity. Both of them show -1 oxidation state also, means hydrogen shows both positive and negative oxidation state. Now let us discuss differences from halogens. Differences. Point number 1 is that halogens have more affinity to take the electron, but hydrogen has less affinity. We have seen that most commonly hydrogen exists or is found in form of H positive ion. H negative is very rare. So this is one difference. Second difference is that oxide of hydrogen, that is H2, we all drink, is a neutral oxide. But the oxides of halogens like Cl2O7 is acidic oxide. So this is one difference. So this you have to remember. In this lecture we have discussed about the similarities, differences with halogens, with alkali metals, and basically that's why hydrogen is also called as rogue element, because it resemblances with everyone, with alkali metals also, with halogens also. So it is called as rogue element. We will continue our hydrogen chapter in next lectures. So if you like my videos, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and do check out my strategy videos. Thanks for watching.